Good morning everyone. This is Aradhi Shrikant from grade 6. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Tuesday and today's date is 28th October 2025. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Good morning all. This is Joel from grade 6. Every Tuesday we observe Thoughtful Tuesday. So, on behalf of it, I would like to share a thought. The thought is, freedom is not the right to do as you please. It's the liberty to do as you ought. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Sarva Kumar Mantri from grade 6.
I am Shriya Rameswamy from grade 6.
This is Tanaya Kulkarni from grade 6.
My name is Kanati Patana from grade 6.
Today we are going to tell you the importance of the day. Today we are observing the dedication of the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is a huge statue in New York Harbor. It was gifted from France to United States.
It stands friendship and freedom between the two countries. The statue was dedicated on October 28, 1886.
The dedication ceremony was held in New York City. Thousands of people came to celebrate.
The torch represents light and knowledge. Talking about statue, the tablet has a date, July 4, 1776, that America's Independence Day. The broken chain at her feet shows freedom from oppression.
The statue welcomes immigrants arriving in America. Talking about the legacy of the statue is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Millions of tourists visit it each year. It remains a global symbol for hope, freedom and friendship.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that celebrate freedom and independence, value friendship and unity among the people.
Spread light, knowledge and kindness. May we all stand for freedom, friendship and peace.
Just as Lady Liberty does. Thank you.